Hello everyone. This video is for telling about how to handle images with Google Gemini. Okay, Google Gemini, it can do conversation, it can give answers for our questions. At the same time, it can create images also. So let us see how to use images when asking questions. Okay, so if you are not familiar with Gemini, here we can ask questions just by typing it or by using mic icon. Okay, so it is giving a response. Okay, and we can ask about today's date, Sunday, May, but it didn't ask about time zone, my time zone, other things, right? That I will be explaining in a detailed video. This video is for telling about just using images with this Google Gemini. Okay, it is very useful feature. Okay, say for example, if you are creating an image for advertising your product, you can ask Gemini to give its feedback about your image. I used it for many times. That feedbacks are really useful. Just for giving as an example, I'm just using a standard image. Okay, you can ask Gemini to give your comments about this image, and then you can upload the image. I downloaded this image from Wikipedia page, this basic girl with pearl earring. Okay, so let us see what it's saying. So I downloaded from this. It's a famous oil painting, right? So let us see what it is saying. Yeah, this is one key thing. If there is any person on the image, it won't be giving a response. Normally I used to see the response, but immediately it used to delete it. Okay, even it deleted our upload also. Okay, because the person is there, right? But it's actually not a person, it's painting. So obviously AI is having a lot of shortcomings. So it's one of the shortcomings. Okay, it's not able to differentiate between the painting and the actual person. Anyway, let us check with other thing like any Taj Mahal image or something. I'm asking Google Gemini to give comments about this Taj Mahal image. Let us wait for some time. But I'm telling it for as an example, okay? But actual use, a lot of use cases are there. Particularly, as I said, personally, I'm using it for getting comments about my ad images. Okay, it's correctly found that it's Taj Mahal. Okay, it explained about Taj Mahal. Okay, so it's a really useful feature. It is an obvious image, right? But if you get some unknown images, very rare images, and you can ask Gemini to tell about it. Okay, it's not like, maybe it's looking like just Google, and it's not like that. It can give a lot of information. As I said, I can give. You can ask what is the color of this building, this image. Is there any person in this image? Is there any person in this image outside of frame? So it's giving the actual thing. So inside the frame there is no person, right? And we can ask any question. Is there any cloud? I'm just telling these things as an example only. Okay, but you can imagine a lot of things. It's saying that I can't say share, but if you repeatedly ask question in different ways, definitely we can get answer from Google Gemini. I explained all these things, how to use Gemini and ChatGPT effectively in my course. Okay, you can find the link in that description of this video to find that course, and you can use the discount code QPT. Okay, in that course I explained how to fine-tune our prompts so that we can get the desired output. Okay, It's a very systematic way of doing. Okay, so if you ask any question, the Gemini will be initially saying that I don't know, I'm not designed like that something. But if you reframe your questions, definitely we can get answer from that. Okay, but as I'm just telling it example, I'm not trying that thing. But if you are asking some feedback about your newly created ad image, and Gemini is not giving a reply straight away, you can try that prompt engineering approaches. Okay, so it is all about uh, like using images in the input in the prompts. Okay, and similarly we can ask Gemini to create images by specifying details in our prompt. Okay, so for example, since we are talking about Taj Mahal, we can ask Google Gemini to create Taj Mahal like image. Create Taj Mahal like image without domes, something, anything. Or with some instead of white we can ask it to with some other pink color something. Let us try that also. Okay, but it's incorrect anyway. Pink color dome. A lot of other tools are there out of Firefly something, but since this feature is available within Google Gemini itself, we can use it in various perspectives. Okay, so it's just somewhat tried, but it's not that much accurate, right? But we need to fine-tune our prompts. Okay, that is the thing that I explained about the details in my course. You can just access that course, or even you can contact me for getting one-on-one coaching, because it is difficult to explain the things to all the people with one video, right? Everyone will be having different background, and they may be having different level of understanding. So if you want to understand and use the AI tools properly, you can contact me for one-on-one coaching. You can book my time even for minimum 1 hour. Okay, so right now I'm charging just $6 per hour, so we can discuss so many things. Okay, so I'm interested in doing that kind of one-on-one coaching for next few weeks. Okay, so if you are interested, you can make use of that opportunity. Okay, so this is the purpose of this video is for telling about how to use images with Google Gemini. Okay, in the input, as well as we can ask it to create image output. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, as I'm planning to upload a lot of videos about both tutorial videos and news videos about Google Gemini. Okay, thanks.